guys, it's me, Jonathan, and today I'm going to teach you how to make DIY jiggly basic white slime. So let's get into it. By the way, guys, I'm not going to be speaking, so I'm just going to add in the ingredients, but I'm going to show you what ingredients I added, and I'm going to play some loud music to cover it. Alright guys, so here's some water. So I got some water, you know, the basic water. And if you hear the noise, my dad was on his phone. So here is some school glue. And you got that butter knife, just so like we can mix it in a bowl. So I know that I said I was gonna play loud music, but I ended up doing a voiceover. So here's my solution. I used borax and water. This is a voiceover. This is a voiceover for those who think it isn't. This is a voiceover. So I have my glue right here, and I'm just gonna take it right here. Let's take it. Come on, open up, open. So, oh, I had a little thing on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour that all in there. Not the whole thing. We're just gonna pour in a little bit because we don't want a lot of jiggly slime. We just want a little bit. So, yeah. So now I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, you need a paper napkin. Paper towel, because that's gonna get all over your hands because the glue. And what you gonna do with that dessert? Did I no? Okay. So we're gonna pour in all of our water. I didn't have a lot. I didn't. Like, I tried this like 3 times and I felt so fuzzy. So it's hard to do that. But just mixing it a little bit. Okay, now it's time to add in our solution. Yay! So the solution is my favorite part. So like I said, it is borax and water for those who are wondering. And we're gonna mix that in with it. And you're just gonna mix it a little bit at a time. So yeah, let's just mix it in. I'm just kidding, y'all thought y'all lost me, but y'all didn't. I'm gonna speak this whole time. So we're gonna keep on. Okay, there we go. Let's add in a little more. Why not? So now that we're done with that, we're gonna add in the whole thing now. Let's mix it in. I keep on kidding, you know. So at the end of this video, you'll hear my dad. He said like, oh, I think you'll hear him, and he'll be like, hey, come here, and it's called. I got scared because he didn't know that I was recording, and now I'm doing this voiceover, and he's asleep right now. So I don't really care about doing the voiceover because I'm inside of my room. So let's mix that in, yeah. And at one point I took my hand and I was about to pause it so my brother could come, but what's it called? Because they don't know that I have a YouTube channel. And well, they do, but they don't know that it's a vlog channel. So, now I'm gonna put some water in. Some water. No, that's not even water. That is borax solution. Oh my god, I am so dumb. But I mean, it kind of is water at the same time. So we're gonna mix that in. Yas, girl. So just mixing it in. Da 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 da. So I wish y'all could see me doing this voiceover, but okay, it's a little sticky, it's a little slimy. You know, we always have slimy stuff in our life, right? Am I right? Am I right, kids? Am I right? So yeah, tomorrow I have a game for cheerleading, so I'm gonna be really busy. But that was totally off topic. But now we're gonna take some water and we're just gonna water. Why do I keep on saying water? Borax solution. We're just gonna mix that in. Oh, I think I was telling you something. I think I said that I tried that 3 different times. And, like, whenever I tried it, like, the very last time and the time, all of those times that I tried after, it, like, totally didn't work out. It was such a horrible slime. And they were not like that. They were not like that, guys. I kept one of them. I might put it in one of my slime videos. But what the heck, bro? So, we're going to pour some water in there. Sorry if you heard that crackling noise earlier. That's because I was opening a bag of some candy, and I was gonna eat it after this voiceover. But anyways, so y'all are probably wondering, when is this freaking video gonna end? I've been tired of this voiceover. Well, it is almost about to end. Yeah, okay. So it's about to end, guys. I'm just doing some poking ASMR type thing, you know? And it can't really like stretch that good, but I mean it can kind of stretch. So this is where I thought my brother was gonna come. But anyways, my dad was about to call me. So give a big subscribe and give a big like on this video if you enjoyed it, and click the notifications for a shout out my next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace. Bye.